Hello, my friends. Welcome back to our fun phonics lesson. Today, we are learning a new letter and sound. Are you ready? Let's begin. Today's letter is letter D. This is capital letter D, D. And this is small letter D, D. Let's say it together. D, D, D. Excellent. Letter D makes the sound da, like in the word dog. Listen carefully. Da, 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 da. Now you try. Da, da, da. Very good. Here are some words that begin with the da sound. Dog, door, and duck. Let's say them together slowly. Da, dog, da, drum, door, da, duck. Great work. Let's sing a fun rhyme. D says da, 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 da. In dog that runs around. D in drum that makes a sound. D says da, loud and proud. Let's sing it one more time. Let's play a game. Tell me if the word starts with da ball? No. Da dog? Yes. Da cat? No. Da drum? Yes. Great job. Well done. Today we learned letter D, the